Entry number 5, Carolina National High School. Corps and Staff, Cadet Major Axel Zander R. Prado, Corps Commander. Cadet Major Mario A. Camaro Jr. S1. Cadet Major Dave Kent Orjales S2. Cadet Major Cadet Major Micaela Arseno S3. Cadet Major Mike Gabriel Gabiazo S4. Cadet Major Ariana Clarity B. Tanay S5. Major Leader Mary Hazel Siguenza, Band Leader Jamel Khan Nicolas, Company Commander. Cadet Captain John Kenneth Lack, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J.P. Lack, First Platoon Leader Boys. Cadet First Lieutenant Rizal J.P. Tuazon, Second Platoon Leader Girls. Cadet First Lieutenant Eureka B. Oracion, CAP Facilitator Edmar Carlito, Band Advisor Band Paro, Major Joan Ayorinota, Ia Jane Aguilar, Band Master Trainer Marlon Del Vino. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 5, Carolina National High School, Carolina, Naga City.